So I just woke up and I looked outside the window and it's snowing a ton. So I'm gonna go with my family and take the dog on a walk. So and I'm gonna try and fly the drone in the snow. I don't know if I should or shouldn't do that, but I'm going to do that. So this is gonna be fun.
Oh, film snowballs. Oh, you don't have your gloves on. Never mind. I'll do that.
What are you smelling? Another skunk?
Harvey. Good boy.
Harvey! Good boy! It's pretty cold out here right now, not gonna lie. There he goes, there he goes. Ah! Come on, big boy. Yeah, let's go up. Yeah. Oh, what? Harvey, Harvey, come on up.
How far did you have him over there?
He came up to that. I tried to get him to slide down.
Yeah, that obviously wasn't.
Dad, slide down.
You slide down.
You slide down.
You slide down. I can't even get through here anymore.
Harvey. Harvey. Harvey.
Let me hold the camera and you slide down. Okay.
He's going crazy for the snow.
Huh?
Oh, he's coming up.
Come on, buddy. Good boy.
Hi.
Good boy. Look at you. Down the side. Did you go down the side
Pet
before?
him.
No.
You didn't?
Hi. Oh, you want more snow? There you go, big boy.
Yeah, that's good dog.
Really? Oh!
Harvey! 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 Harvey!
There?